Welcome students. I am class teacher of UKG, subject English, topic at the railway station. So students, today we will discuss about at the railway station. Start now.
At the railway station. Stall, ticket counter, engine, track, compartment, guard, TT, platform, porter. A tunnel? And what's coming from there? This train. Do you like the sound of the train, children? I love it. Right? Now, where did that train come to? Here you go. It came to the railway station. Shall we learn different things at the railway station? Come, but go and see the animation video and come back to me. Thank you for taking a stop with me. Do you know something? This is the family who decided to go for a vacation. They decided to go to Coimbatore. It's a place in Tamil Nadu and it's a lovely place. I love Coimbatore. It's so beautiful, you know. You should go and visit it. There are so many places that you can go to from Coimbatore. Like you can go to Ooty, you can go to Kunnur. There are beautiful hill stations around that place and people are extremely kind and sweet. So children, this family decided to go to Coimbatore. So what did they do? The father booked the train ticket from the ticket counter at the station. Okay? He booked it a week before travel. Now this is the ticket that he booked. Those two little children did not need ticket because they were young. Okay? Now the adults needed the ticket. Now what are the different things in the ticket that we need to see? The first one is the train number. You need to check the train number and the train also has a name. This number is 7229 and it is the Shabari Express. Okay? It is the train's name. Now the number and the name are here on the ticket. And this is the PNR number. Like we all have roll numbers, right? Same way, our ticket also will have a number. It is used for various other purposes in the railways. Okay, the next one. Oh, before I tell you, didn't you get a doubt? What is the full form of the word PNR? It's the passenger name record. Okay, it is a record where all the details of the passenger are given. Before this father booked the ticket, he had to fill a form in which it had all the information about the passengers, and this PNR number is attached to all that information. Then here we have the city from which we are going to the city where we are going to. So they are going from Kottayam, which is in Kerala, to Coimbatore, which is in Tamil Nadu. It is quite a distance and they have to travel by train. It is 266 kilometers from Kottayam to Coimbatore. Okay, this is the coach number in which they will sit. A1. There are coach numbers like A1, B1, B2, S1, S2, S3. It depends on the compartment. Okay, that is the travel date and the travel time. They are going on 5th February at 10:20 a.m. Okay, children, and that is the number of children and the number of adults. Okay, in this they've put 0 because there is no ticket for them. So children, once they booked the ticket, the mama and papa packed the bags. They got all the suitcases ready with everything they wanted, and they arrived at the Kottayam railway station. Right? Now, what is a railway station? Railway station is a place where trains stop for you to get in and also to get out. Right? So they will get down at the Coimbatore railway station next. Okay? So with the minute they entered the railway station, this is what happened. The porter helped them to carry their bags to the compartment. What was their compartment number? A1. Right? Then they bought some snacks from a stall. Okay? And then they went and waited at the platform 1 for their train to arrive. Now, what do you mean by platform 1? There are many platforms because many trains will come and go from the station, right? So, you should carefully listen to the announcement and also look at the board which is there outside the station to see where your train is coming. Now, how will you find out that? In the ticket, you saw the train number, didn't you? So, they will put train number and arrival and departure. So this family needs to look at the departure side and look for the number. If it is written 1, it means that their train is going to come on the platform number 1. So that is why they went and waited at platform number 1. Then when the train arrived, they boarded it. Okay, they made sure that they put their luggage under the seats and they all happily sat. Once they sat and adjusted, a ticket collector came to check their ticket. So you need to give him your ticket. Nowadays, you can even book online. You need not have a ticket like that. If you book your ticket online, you just need to show the message that you got on your phone or an email of the train ticket, right? Once they traveled and traveled, they had a lot of fun. They ate in the train, they slept in the train, and then they reached the Coimbatore railway station. When they reached Coimbatore, they got down from the railway station and took a cab and went home or to the hotel that they had booked. Right? So now, children, it's time that you tell me what you learned. Do you remember everything, children? If you did not, you can go back, pause me, and learn again. What is that? An engine, right? And what is this? The compartments. Now the engine pulls the compartments and takes the train ahead. Who is he? The porter who helps us carries our luggage. Don't you think he is also a person who helps us? Right? So you should say thank you to him and pay him appropriately for carrying your luggage. And that's a ticket. Do you know the difference between the previous ticket and this ticket? The previous one that we learned is a train ticket used to travel. But this one is a platform ticket. That is, if somebody who is not traveling in the train but is coming to drop you at the railway station needs to buy this platform ticket to be able to stay at the platform for some time. What is this? The track. The railway track on which the train goes. Go, and he is the kind ticket collector to whom you should show your ticket. Right? And what is that? The platform. The same platform 1 on which the family was waiting for their train. Now, children, now that you've learned, be careful when you're going at the railway station. You should not stand too close to the tracks because if the train arrives, it comes with extreme speed. It might hurt you. So have fun, children. Enjoy traveling and remember, be careful.
So students, I hope you all have understood topic homework. Complete this activity given in page number 58 and 59 of the activity book. Then practice book page number 58 and 59. Thank you.